Hey guys, I just found a new glitch, and this glitch will turn your items into one. I think this only works with these items. So here I may use my wooden axe, and I will make create or craft anything again. But still a axe. Oh. First of all, you need two bolt items. Still in textures. Then you must go this one to put the other side instead other side, and you see you have a new wooden axe. I think this one will turn your items into one. So what happened? What? So that glitch will turn your items into one. So what? Why did you use my cheat? Hey, come out right here. I need to write for you too. Hey, what? Whoa, whoa. Just one is scary. Who is that? Oh, it's big. Oh, you, Janine. Oh, my friend. I'm sorry. I didn't saw you playing right here on the side. So, did you saw how I said the glitch? Did you see the glitch? Did you? Huh? Why? Come, I'm gonna teach you. Come. Right here. Wait, don't open the chest. Don't steal my items. It's from working hard. Here. Just do this. Oops.